Success isn't just about IQ, it's also about EQ, emotional intelligence. Understanding and managing emotions is crucial for building strong relationships, making sound decisions, and thriving in both personal and professional life. So let's explore the essential components of emotional intelligence and how you can master them. Take charge of your time and let each moment propel you closer to your dreams. The power to master time management lies within you. Firstly, let's define emotional intelligence. It's the ability to recognize, understand, and manage your own emotions, as well as the emotions of others. It involves skills like self-awareness, self-regulation, empathy, and social skills. The foundation of emotional intelligence is self-awareness. Take time to reflect on your emotions, thoughts, and behaviors. What triggers certain emotions in you? How do you typically react in different situations? By understanding yourself better, you can begin to manage your emotions more effectively. Once you're aware of your emotions, the next step is to regulate them. This involves controlling impulsive reactions and managing stress effectively. Techniques like deep breathing, mindfulness, and positive self-talk can help you stay calm and composed even in challenging situations. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of others. Practice active listening and try to see things from someone else's perspective. Show compassion and support to those around you, and you'll build stronger, more meaningful relationships. Strong social skills are essential for navigating interpersonal interactions successfully. This includes effective communication, conflict resolution, and collaboration. Practice assertiveness and diplomacy, and strive to build trust and rapport with others. The benefits of mastering emotional intelligence are profound. Individuals with high emotional intelligence are better equipped to handle stress, build healthy relationships, and make informed decisions. They're also more resilient and adaptable in the face of challenges. Here are some practical tips for enhancing your emotional intelligence. Practice active listening and validate others' emotions. Seek feedback from trusted friends or mentors to gain insight into your blind spots. Take responsibility for your actions and apologize when necessary. Continuously work on expanding your emotional vocabulary to better articulate your feelings. Engage in activities that promote self-care and emotional well-being, such as exercise, hobbies, or spending time with loved ones. Emotional agility involves the ability to adapt to changing circumstances and navigate complex emotions with ease. Embrace uncertainty and discomfort as opportunities for growth, and be willing to challenge unhelpful thought patterns or beliefs. By fostering emotional agility, you can become more flexible and resilient in the face of challenges. In conclusion, mastering emotional intelligence is a lifelong journey that requires self-reflection, practice, and dedication. By developing self-awareness, practicing self-regulation, cultivating empathy, and honing your social skills, you can enhance your relationships, boost your resilience, and lead a more fulfilling life. So, start investing in your emotional intelligence today and unlock the keys to greater happiness and success.